Zeb on his mat from Bubby and J.D. Furman. And his little ducky slippers. He just took a bath and he's all calm. And he loved it. He loves this. There's so many noises and so many things he can play with. You can also do tummy time. But right now we're just going to do bath time. Hi. Hi. Do you want to try to do tummy time? Yeah. I would love to do tummy time. Hello, my name's Rose. You try? He might cry though. He's never done tummy time before. Actually, he did once. It didn't go over very well. Didn't go over very well. Say, I can't pick up my head yet. Look at you. You're doing a pretty good job. You're doing a good job, sweetie. Up. This isn't look very comfortable, does it? You'll be able to do it soon, I promise. Soon. Okay. Oh. Okay, this isn't comfortable. No? A little boy?
I think you had enough of this. I can just like this. We love you.
Here. Should we take this out and you can play with it?
Who has to turn over?
Okay.
And...
Okay. Okay.